bumiwa naman lahat ng investment nila sa akin.
What part of your NPTE journey challenged you the most, and how did you overcome it?
So far, yung pinaka-challenging na part ng NPT talaga is more of those preparation, generally sa credentials, kasi merong mga subjects ako na hindi pa nakukuha. So I had to really meet those up and pass them, along with actually reviewing for the FET itself. So mahirap siya pagsabayan, kasama pati work, pero so far, with just the grip and also planning din, pacing yung study habits and all, kaya naman kasi talaga siya pagsabay-sabay sa desidido ka lang talagang push yung NPT at pasa siya with flying colors.
Why did you choose Grandison as your guide and support throughout your USPT journey?
So far kasi, yung mga kabatch ko kasi na nauna, si Grandison kasi yung pinili nilang pinaka-agency nila, and most of them, sabi nila okay naman daw and all. So sabi ko, why not? Saka during that time kasi na I'm considering na mag-US kasi, sila lang kasi talaga nag-offer talaga ng full scholarship. So generally, wala akong pera. So medyo makapalang mukha ko ng konti, pero in a way, sila lang talaga yung nakakapag-offer talaga ng scholarship and all. At sabi ko nga sarili ko, if they have the money and I have the grit, then I just have to push myself. Then I'll be qualified enough to pass the board exam. Bumiwa naman lahat ng investment nila sa akin. And they have been very supportive with me at actually, kasi during that time na nagkaroon ng abiga sa processing ko, kahit anong follow-up ko sa US, through emails, hindi talaga siya sumasagot. Pero nagulat na lang din ako, meron silang correspondence doon na sila na mismo talaga na nag-follow up and sinabi nila na okay na ako mag-exam. Din yung part na sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung Gandhi kasi they have been very hands-on sa part ng process, at the same time making sure na makakapag-exam ako sa time slot na minahabol ko during that time.
Why did you choose the USA as the destination to build your PT career?
Nandun yung mga kabatch ko, hindi. So, bakit US? Ewan ko lang, kasi minsan kasi parang, alam mo yun, pag binigyan ka kasi ng options, minsan naabot ka sa point na pas feel ko, may gut feeling, may intuition na mas pipiliin ko magtrabaho dito, or I just, sa dami ng ring pastures nakalabas dyan, minsan kasi talaga, you just have to pala listen to that inner voice that says to you na dito ka mas magpo-flourish and all. And given na may mga batchmate din kasi ako, nakakarinig naman ako, so it's not really a parang shootin na muna bala na si Batman. I did my part naman na to research how do they work, ano yung type ng job nila doon, kamusta sila, nakapagbakasyon pa nga sila, habang ako, hindi hirap mag-apply ng leave, di ba? So, hinahanap ko yung konsepto ng work-life balance sa nakita ko sa mga kabatchmate ko, mga nauna na sa akin na they're already parang reaping the fruits of their labor na rin nung nasa US sila.
What message or advice would you give to future NPTE takers who want to follow your path?
Ano lang, laban lang. Ganun lang talaga is dalawang words, laban lang. Okay? Hindi na matatambo ang NPT, nandyan lang yan. Nakabang lang talaga yan sa inyo. Okay? Kayo na lang ang ini-in-time na ipasayan. Okay? So, huwag kami mag-alala kahit mapaiba-iba ang question sa board exam. Tandaan ninyo, hindi nagbabago foundations. Ang anatomy hindi nagbabago. Your review in the board exam, specifically sa Gandhi, will propel you to the passing the board exam with flying colors. Seryosohin yung mabuti, please. Hello, I'm Ryan. I'm a proud Grandison physical therapist.